As artists, we really worry about coming across as too salesy or too pushy. So if that's you and you want to learn how to attract customers instead of feeling icky and car salesman-y, then this video is for you. And if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe and the bell notification button so you get to find out about when I post new videos with lots of advice and tips on how to grow a successful art business. Hi, Amanda Heath here, creator of the Thriving Artist Business School. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the balance between selling artwork in a natural way that aligns with you and your style and attracts the right customer versus feeling pushy and salesy and icky. Okay, because none of us want to feel like that. And I think it's a really big fear. In fact, I know it's a really big fear that a lot of artists have, that we're going to come across as pushy if we start to sell our work. Now, I've seen every sales tactic out there over the years. I've been in business a long time and built this is my third, very successful business. So I've seen a lot of great techniques and a lot of really bad ones. And, nobody wants to be that dodgy car salesman where you push people and persuade them and cajole them and even insult them. I've seen some people do that as well, like, oh, well, if you can't afford it, then so be it. Or if you don't recognize good art when you see it as an investment. And we're not here to insult people. That is just downright wrong, and it's not what I'm interested in teaching, and it's not something that I recommend for my students either. So how do we sell our work, and how do we connect with our customers in a way that feels authentic and aligned? And it all starts with your why as an artist. Doing some really deep work and digging right down into your why. What makes you unique as an artist? What drives you? What are you passionate about? And what makes your work stand out compared to the next artist? When you get very clear on that, you will then start to communicate that clearly, and you will align with the right customers. They will also gravitate towards it because they have similar passions and enthusiasms and enjoyment, and they can appreciate the sentiment behind the artwork as you describe it. And the beauty is when you speak directly to a customer and to their wants, their needs, their desires, their pain points, it's a much stronger emotional connection, and it's a much bigger drive for them to purchase. So it's not about pushing the sale onto anybody or making them feel bad for not buying. It's definitely not what we want to be doing. What we want to get clear is, what is it about your art that makes it unique, and how, this is the other thing, how is it going to benefit their lives, the buyer's lives? How is it going to transform their space, their life? What is it going to bring them that they didn't have before? And when we work together with the students in Passion into Profit, I help them get really clear on that messaging, very clear on their why, and so it bridges the gap between where the buyer is looking for something and where the artist is creating really strong, powerful work. And that message that bridges the two helps connect the two people together. And it's not about being pushy, it's about aligning, being very clear about what you make, who it's for, and how it can help them. And that is the difference between aligned, natural, comfortable sales that happen regularly and it feels great for both parties, and a very pushy car salesman tactic where you are effectively kind of strong-arming somebody into buying your painting. Now, there's a definite winner in between those for me, and I hope you agree it is the one that feels aligned. So hopefully that helps you, and if you'd like more information like this, then I have a free masterclass. I'll drop the link somewhere below this video, and if you like, sign up and watch that for lots more value, and I will see you in the next video.